Okay, next.
Hi ate, happy 18th birthday and more birthday to you. God bless you. Happy birthday ate.
Mas emotional pa siya kaysa doon sa nagtitipid. Nag-carried away siya sa kanyang message.
Waiting for the end. Wish you all the best. Embrace the moment. God bless you. Happy 18th birthday, Andrea. Wish you all the best. Stay healthy. Be happy.
To my beloved girl, Andrea. Happy 18th birthday, and I'm glad to be part of your 18th year. And